everybody. Today we're going to do art and science all in one. And it has to do with magic. We're going to make our own magic wands. Oh, so exciting. Lots of room for creativity there, as you will soon see. I have some materials here for making wands. Often a wand is in the shape of a star. This one is made on foil, but you could make it on any kind of paper, color it with whatever you've got to color it, and then decorate it. Now, this is a chopstick, and it works very well for your wand. Here we go. You can either glue it on and let it dry for a while before you decorate, or simply tape it on. There. Now it's time to decorate and make it more magical. There's hardly anything more magical than jewels and sparkly buttons, or pieces of sparkly paper, or pieces of foil can work just as well. Let me put one on. I saw a heart one. Come on out, you little heart. There. Oh my goodness, it's a silver heart. Doesn't that look special? So these do have to be glued on. Squeeze a little glue and stick it on. And that's it. What else would look good? Maybe a sequin. This is the kind of thing that makes dance costumes sparkly. You might have some around the house. And another sequin. Another, and another, and another, and then I would have one for all 5 points. Here goes. They're very tricky to hold, but I think you can do it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And there it is. Beautiful. Well, let's see what else we could use. How about a butterfly? That's a nice shape, right? So stick first, right? Tape the stick on. I noticed my last stick was a little wobbly. So whenever you see something like that happening, you can change the way you do it. I'm going to add 2 pieces of tape this time. Test it first. Ah, yes. So I learned from doing the first one that it needed to be a little firmer. There we go. Now, I think it would be fun for this to flutter a little. I had some little pieces of tissue paper that I had cut out. Let me add these to the butterfly wings along the bottom. 1. I like to do it symmetrically, but you don't have to. Symmetrically means what you do to one side, you do to the other. But things can be beautiful and asymmetrical too. So you choose how it looks good to you. Shall I see if it flaps? Oh, look at it flaps. I love that. And sometimes butterflies have dots on them, right? Well, these are little pieces of strips of tissue paper that I curled up in advance, and they could be the dots. There. There. Wow. It's nice just like that, or I could keep on going. You'll do the way you like it. Some people like simple. Some people like lots and lots and lots of things. Everyone has their own style. Now, you can also use things from nature. Look at this. I found outside a hydrangea flower that had dried from last year. And this is a dried stem from a hydrangea. I'm going to put them together and make a kind of nature wand. Ooh. You might find things outside that would make good wands. I'm wrapping and wrapping and wrapping, and I have to test it. Yes, it's holding. I thought it might be fun to have some things floating down from it. I chose green because it reminds me of nature and the grass outside. So, tape some of these little pieces of tissue paper on it. There's another. I wonder if I could do a few at once. Let me try it that way. And one more. Now I'm challenging my fingers a little. How many can I hold on? Woo, that was fun. It's fun to give ourselves challenges sometimes, right? And woo! Just add it. Okay, wrap, 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 and abracadabra, abracadabra. You can imagine magic coming out of that. Now the last one I'm going to make is the science wand. Look at this. There's a picture of a fish on this side, and I colored it in orange. And there's a picture of a fish bowl on this side. And these are, a couple of inches. Maybe you could even use Post-its to do these. Now they're joined together here. So this goes this way, and this is upside down, right? But watch what happens. I'm going to put my chopstick in. Tape it really well. And I'm going to put a piece of sticky tape here too to make it extra sticky with the sticky side out. And then I'm going to close it. Here goes. Yes, see how it's stuck? That worked really well. Now here comes the magic. You're going to see the fish go inside the bowl. Are you ready? Hocus pocus, fishy ocus. Whoop! It flew open. try it, and if something isn't working, we fix it. Let's try again. Hocus pocus, fishy hocus. Do you start to see the fish inside the fishbowl? Are you seeing it? I don't know if the camera catches it, but when you do it at home, it's amazing. It's really amazing. Do you see when I folded it over, the fish became right side up and it goes inside there. And that's called an optical illusion. Our mind puts the two together when it spins around. It's fantastic. Many magic tricks are optical illusions. So I hope you enjoyed this one and you can make it at home now. Well, have fun making magic. Bye for now.